Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.5, Problem 2. This is Section 2.5, Problem 2. It says divide the fractions 4/5 divided by 4/5. So when you divide fractions, what you do is you leave the first fraction the way it is, change the problem to a multiply, and invert the second fraction or flip it. So the second fraction flips from a 4/5 to a 5/4. So now there's a variety of ways to approach this. You can just multiply right across the top. Top times top, 4 times 5 is 20. Bottom times bottom, or denominator times denominator, is 4 times 5 again, which is still 20. And 20/20 will reduce to 1. Now this is one that we could have pre-reduced, so 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom will cancel, turn into a 1. 5 on the top, 5 on the bottom will also cancel and turn into a 1. So I could see that it would reduce. And actually, right from the beginning, when you have any value divided by the same value, it should reduce to 1. It's easier to see with whole numbers than with fractions. So if you had 8 divided by 8, of course, it would be 1. So you have some number divided by the same exact number. It makes sense that when you do the work for the division, it should come out to 1.